Hey everyone. So this is going to be Potty's left-handed challenge. He's challenged us to pick locks with our left hand. This is our non-dominant hand, I suppose. This is a best lock that was sent to me by Developer a little while ago. I've picked it a couple times to operating, never once to control. But anyway, I thought it'd be a good candidate for the left-handed challenge. Man. Oh, that's tough. I don't have a key for this lock. Actually, Developer sent it to me to open, and I'd like to get it to control for him so I can send him the core, but I just haven't been able to do that yet. Jeez, this is so tough. There it is. Okay. All right, Potty, we got it. Man, you're not kidding. That's tough. All right, so that's I don't have a key for this, and I can't take the core out. It's a 5-pin SFIC. It's a pretty tricky pick. It seems to have a lot of sets. I'm not sure exactly what it has in there, but it seems to maybe have some serrated, because bests usually don't, and so I say that doubtfully. Maybe it's just master keyed. But anyway, it definitely gives me quite a few clicks on several pins. But all right, buddy, there's your left-handed challenge pick. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. But actually, you know what? Let's give away a challenge lock. I don't have any on my... Yeah, let's see here. Bear with, guys. All right, this is another challenge lock. It's one of those Yale Y1s. I will give this away to the first person. Actually, you know what? Let's do it a little bit different way. Go ahead and leave a comment, just saying you'd like the challenge lock. Leave a comment, and in about a week, 7 days from now, I will go ahead and randomly pick a winner. Do it a little bit differently than the riddles. The riddles are fun, but I want to give some people who may not catch the video right away a chance to. So this isn't a challenge lock yet. I don't have pins in it. I got to make pins still. So go ahead and answer. All right, go ahead and just leave a comment down below, and I'll randomly pick from the comments that are there in 7 days, and we'll give that challenge lock away. Thanks for watching.